You're welcome back to Business Morning. We're now being joined by the Senior Investment Officer at the Financial Derivatives Company. She is Okpeyemi Oguntade. Thank you, Okpe, for coming on the program. And good morning.
Good morning.
Now, what do the numbers look like at this time at the agro-commodities market now?
Well, at the agro market, technically, in fact, all of them went down this week. And the major reason for this, we have a stronger dollar. We also have the fact that year end, and most asset managers usually liquidate their assets to meet the demand for their clients. But specifically for cocoa, what we have is the stronger US dollar down on cocoa prices, and that's why prices this week. We know that cocoa has been the best performing commodity this year, and I expect that cocoa prices will pick up come January next year as next cocoa season has started. It started sometime in October, and given the fact that it was the best performing commodity in the year 2015, I expect asset managers to still put their investments into cocoa and getting cocoa futures. For sugar prices, this came down this week because there's been a decline in demand for ethanol. Looking at the current oil prices are now trading at about $36 to a barrel, and if we're looking at it comparing both prices of the price using ethanol create fuel for vehicles and all. If you compare the prices, traders, or rather most analysts are projecting that it's better. You're better off making use of fuel as opposed to ethanol at this point, given the lower oil price, and this is what has contributed to the decline in the demand for sugar, which pushed down prices this week. So for corn as well, corn is a main ingredient in the production of ethanol, and this has contributed to the demand for corn as well. But looking at the global fundamentals for and wheat, there's been a lot of production out there coming from Argentina, coming from the US, coming from Russia, and this has contributed to the decline in prices we're seeing with wheat and corn in the global market.
We will get back to the expectations in a while, but let's take to this product. Let's talk about them in one after the other. Now, we're looking at sugar. It seems to be the only commodity appreciating due to increase in supply from India. Is the demand for this commodity commensurate with the increase in supply?
I'm sorry, please repeat that question.
We are looking at prices of sugar up, according to the data from your organization, 1.99%. However, we're seeing that there seems to be an increase from supply from India. However, we're looking at the prices. Is the demand?
Yes, there's been an increase.
Is the demand for this commodity meeting up with the supply? Because if the prices are up at this point in time, and we're looking at more supply in the market, are we having more demand from end users for these commodities?
Yes, definitely for sugar. There's been an increase in demand for sugar, and due to the fact that it's been appreciating over the week. But looking at the production for sugar, in the sense that there's been a decline in demand for ethanol. This is contributing to the fact that sugar prices are likely to come down in the near term.
Okay, some expectations now for the market. Let's talk about corn. You said earlier on that we're expecting an increase in production from Brazil and Argentina, and that may weigh on the prices. Tell us more about this.
Well, specifically coming from Argentina, of recent, the new president of Argentina has, first of all, set the export ban on commodities such as wheat, and he has also they've also devalued their currency, and this is encouraging exporters to put in more of that commodity onto the market, and this is also affecting the competition within the market, because if you're looking at other producing such as the US and Russia, this is in a sense a move to take advantage of market share coming from Argentina. So this is what's contributing to the big prices we're seeing in the grains market.
All right, Okpeyemi, that'll be all. Thank you so much for joining us on the program.
Thank you for having me.
Do have a great day. Still to come on Business Incorporated, we'll be shifting our focus on reviewing the 2015 economy. We're looking at the housing sector. We'll be right back.